Hello, I have a big problem today.
Hello, please stay calm and tell me everything.
My flight was from Paris. The plane arrived 1 hour ago.
I understand. Did you see your bag on the belt?
No, I waited for a long time. The belt is empty now.
My name is Oliver. I am here to help you.
Thank you, Oliver. I am Sophie. I am very tired.
Do you have your luggage ticket? It is usually on your passport.
Yes, I have it right here. Here is the small sticker.
That is perfect. I can use this number in my computer.
Is it common to lose bags on this flight?
It happens sometimes when the weather is bad. Was it raining in Paris?
Yes, it was very rainy and windy. The flight was late, too.
That explains the situation. Maybe the bag is still in France.
Oh no! All my clothes are in that bag.
Do not worry, Sophie. Most bags return in 24 hours.
I have an important meeting tomorrow morning. I need my suit.
I will try my best to find it quickly. Please wait a moment.
Can you see the location on your screen?
The system is loading the data now. The internet is a bit slow.
I see many people with the same problem today.
Yes, the morning was very busy for us. Many flights were delayed.
I just want to go home and sleep. This is a long day.
I understand your frustration. Travel can be very stressful.
I hope the bag is not lost forever. That is my fear.
We have a 99% success rate. Your bag is safe. The computer is showing a message now. Let me read it.
What does it say? Is it good news?
It says the bag was not on the plane. It stayed in Paris.
I knew it. What happens now?
I need to write a description of your bag.
Okay, it is a very large suitcase.
What color is it? Is it black or blue?
No, it is a very bright pink color. You can see it easily.
Bright pink is good. That is very easy to find.
It also has a yellow ribbon on the handle.
A yellow ribbon? That is a great idea for identification.
Is it a hard shell or soft fabric?
It is a hard plastic suitcase with 4 wheels.
Does it have a lock on it or a name tag?
Yes, it has a digital lock. My name is on the tag too.
That is very helpful for the staff in Paris.
Are there any other special marks on it?
There's a small sticker of a cat on the side.
A pink bag with a cat sticker. I am writing it down.
I feel a little better now. The description is very clear.
Now I need your address here in the city.
I live at the Grand Hotel on North Street.
I know that hotel. It is very beautiful and old.
Yes, I'm staying there for 3 days.
What is your phone number? I need to call you later.
My number is 555-0192.
I have all the information now. Thank you, Sophie.
When will the next flight from Paris arrive?
The next plane arrives tonight at 10 o'clock.
Will my bag be on that plane?
I will send the message to the Paris team now.
Thank you for being so patient with me.
It is my job to help. You can sit over there.
I think I will stay here for a few more minutes.
Would you like a glass of water? You look very pale.
Yes, please. That is very kind of you.
Here you go. Take small sips.
Thank you. I didn't eat anything on the plane.
The airport food is not very good. I prefer home cooking.
Me too. I miss my mother's soup today.
Where are you from originally? Your accent is interesting.
I am from Canada, but I work in Paris now.
Canada is a beautiful country. I want to visit Montreal one day.
You should go in the summer. The winter is too cold.
I like the snow. I love skiing in the mountains.
I prefer the beach and the warm sun.
That is why you have a bright pink suitcase.
Yes, it reminds me of tropical flowers.
I am checking the flight status again. The plane is on time.
That is good news. I hope the bags are ready.
The team in Paris just replied to my message.
What did they say? Did they find the pink bag?
Yes, they found a bag with a yellow ribbon and a cat.
Oh, thank God. I'm so happy now.
They're putting it on the flight right now.
So it will be here tonight at 10 o'clock?
Yes, we can deliver it to your hotel at midnight.
Midnight is a bit late. Can I come back and get it?
You can, but you are very tired. The delivery is free.
That is true. I should go to the hotel and rest.
I will give you a special tracking number.
Can I check it on my phone?
Yes, just go to our website and enter the code.
You have a very good system here.
Here is the document for the delivery service.
Do I need to sign this paper now?
Yes, please sign at the bottom of the page.
I have my own pen in my bag. Here it is.
This paper says we can leave the bag at the reception.
That is perfect. I will tell the hotel manager.
They are very professional at the Grand Hotel.
I'm glad to hear that. I feel more relaxed now.
Do you have everything you need for tonight?
I have my phone charger and my toothbrush.
That is the most important thing. The rest can wait.
I also have a small book to read.
What is the book about? Is it a mystery?
No, it is a book about history. I love old stories.
I prefer science fiction books. They're more exciting.
Everyone has different tastes. That is why the world is fun.
You are right. I meet many different people here.
Is your job always this busy?
Monday and Friday are the hardest days.
I can imagine. Everyone wants to go home for the weekend.
Exactly. But today is only Tuesday.
Tuesday is a quiet day for me, usually.
Not in the airport business. Every day is a surprise.
You handle the surprises very well, Oliver.
Thank you. I have 10 years of experience.
10 years? You are a veteran of the airport.
I know every corner of this building.
Can you tell me where the taxi stand is?
Go out the main door and turn left.
Thank you. I will go there now.
Wait, Sophie, the phone is ringing.
Is it about my bag again?
Yes, it is the Paris supervisor. Hello? Yes, I am listening.
Why is he talking for so long?
He is checking the weight of the bag.
My bag is about 20 kilograms. It is heavy.
He says the bag is already on the plane.
That is fantastic. So it is definitely coming?
Yes, the plane is leaving the gate now.
I can finally breathe again. This is a relief.
He also found a small umbrella near the bag.
Oh, that is my blue umbrella. It fell off.
He put the umbrella inside the side pocket.
That is very nice of him. Thank you for asking.
We try to be very careful with personal items.
I will write a good review for this airport.
We appreciate that. It helps our team stay happy.
Do you have a boss I can speak to?
My manager is in a meeting, but you can write an email.
I will do that tonight at the hotel.
You are a very kind passenger, Sophie.
And you are a very kind worker.
Most people are very angry when they lose a bag.
I was angry at first, but you helped me calm down.
Kindness is the best medicine for stress.
You are a very wise man, Oliver.
I learned a lot from talking to people like you.
I'm glad we met, even in this situation.
Me too. It made my afternoon very interesting.
I should go now. The taxi is waiting.
Here is your copy of the report. Don't lose it.
I will put it inside my passport cover.
That is a very safe place for it.
I have my phone and my charger. I am ready.
Have a very good rest at the hotel, Sophie.
Thank you. I will see my pink bag tomorrow.
Yes, it will be at the reception in the morning.
I will send you an email when I get it.
Please do. I want to be sure you are happy.
Goodbye, Oliver. Thank you for everything.
Goodbye, Sophie. Enjoy your stay in our city.
I will. I want to see the old museum.
It is beautiful. There is a great cafe inside.
I love museum cafes. They are very quiet.
Have a safe trip to the hotel.
Thank you. The sunset is very beautiful outside.
Yes, it is a very clear evening.
See you again, maybe.
Maybe. I am always here at this desk.
The airport is very big and bright.
She is a very nice person.
I found the taxi stand. It is right here.
I am going back to my computer now.
The driver is very friendly too.
Another bag is found, another problem is solved.
Life is an adventure.
I love my job.
Goodbye.